Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to talk about the 7 best money-making apps of 2020. So there are some really cool apps that I want to touch base on today. A lot of them pretty much run themselves. They run in the background of your device, your smartphone, whatever you're using. Some of them take a little bit of work, and some of them are just really fun, easy, like contests that you can do to make money just on your smartphone. So this is going to be a really quick, easy video. I want to make sure that you stay all the way through the video. Because I'm going to be giving you some little helpful tips and advice. So make sure you stay for the whole thing, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well as hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos, guys. Now, none of these apps are going to get you rich really quick. So if you are interested in knowing my #1 recommendation, it's going to be the first link in the description below. Definitely click through and check it out. I think you're going to be really, really, really pumped and excited to see what I have to offer. So guys, jumping right into this, we are going to head over to the Google Play Store. I have all these apps pulled up on the top of my screen, so I'm just going to blow right through them. I know not everybody has a lot of time to watch videos, so I'm going to try and make this one short and sweet for you. So the first app that I want to talk to you about is the M1 Finance app. It's Smart Money Management. So as you can see, they are going to use a pie chart, and it's got percents on here. Now, what they do is this is a stock app. So if you're interested in stocks and investing money, you should definitely take a look at this one. It pretty much runs itself once you set the parameters. So they use a percentage of what you want to invest your money in. And without you doing anything, they will invest the money for you. So say you want 20% in Facebook and 30% in Google and so on and so forth. You've allocated this much money without having to try and figure out on your own. This app is going to invest it for you without you doing anything, which is super cool. I know I don't have a lot of time to try and work out percents in my head and what goes where and where is what. Um, so this app is really awesome. It's going to do it for you. And the only thing you need to do is either withdraw or add more to it. So it's completely up to you what you want to do, but it's a really cool app. And if you're into stocks and trading, I would definitely take a look at M1 Finance. They have a really good rating as well as a bunch of reviews here. As you can see, they have a 4.5-star rating and a boatload of reviews. So definitely check this one out. Now, the next app that we're going to talk about is the Street Bees app. And it's completely easy. You're going to complete simple tasks. And this is a worldwide method. This is probably going to be the best paying app that I could suggest you to do. They're going to ask you to take pictures of things or complete certain tasks, take videos and things of that nature. So this is really cool. It's kind of fun. It's a little bit quirky. They're going to ask you to do some really funny, awesome things. They're going to want to have you take pictures of meals and have them uploaded and sent to them. So it's really cool. Now, they don't have the best reviews, but I find this to be one of the better paying ones and the most fun to complete. So this is really cool if you have time. Now, you aren't going to be given a task and expected to complete it if it's not something you're interested in. So you get to pick and choose from which tasks you would like to do. Like I said, they only had 3.9 stars, but I really think this is definitely one worth checking out. The next app that we're going to take a look at is the Panel app. Now it says prizes and rewards. So what this app does is it works in the background of your phone and it collects data usage and it's more for market research. They kind of want to know where people are going, but they collect all of this anonymously. So you don't actually have to worry about what's being collected for you, and you're going to be rewarded with points that you can exchange for PayPal money as well as Amazon gift cards. Now they have a really great rating too. They're 4.5 stars, and I find this to be super duper easy because this is an app that you don't do anything for. So definitely check this out. I believe this is going to be for a few countries, so definitely look at it. Make sure it works where you are. But yeah, definitely check out the Panel app. Now, the next app that I wanted to talk to you guys about is Receipt Hog. So this is really cool. I kind of have a spending problem, so this one's pretty much focused towards people like me who like to spend money. Um, it made me a little bit better about keeping my receipts. So what this is it is a fun, easy way to turn your everyday receipts into real cash rewards. So you take a picture of your receipts from restaurants or places that you've gone, um, stores that you've been to, and you can earn coins and use them in a virtual slot machine and sweepstakes prizes. Now, you can also turn that into Amazon gift cards as well as PayPal cash, but it literally is every single time that you go out, keep your receipts. I like to shop at Ulta, I shop at Wally World, Walmart. I love Costco. My husband likes to go to GNC and get his pre-workout there, so this works really well for us to be able to earn a little bit of money back on the things that we're already purchasing. So if you're interested in this, definitely check it out. As I believe a 4.4 review, stars review, so definitely look at this one. Now the next one is SlideJoy. Now I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe this only works on Android phones. I have an iPhone, so it doesn't work for me, but now you get paid to open and shut your screen. When you do it, there's going to be ads rolling. So how it works, you can either swipe up or swipe down and access your phone's notifications as a shortcut to your favorite apps. If you swipe up, then you can see the new trending things on there, but they're going to pay you every single time that you open your phone. Now, it's not going to be a lot of money. I think it's like a couple dollars a day, but who can't use a couple extra dollars a day? It's really quick, it's easy, it pretty much runs itself. You don't actually have to complete anything, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to fill out a survey, they don't ask you questions after, they don't ask if you watch the ads. So, this is a really fun, easy way to use your lock screen and make some money. Now, they're going to be showing you trending news and interesting ads and things of that nature. And if you don't like what's on there, you can swipe a different way and watch a totally different thing. So it's really cool. It's really easy. I highly suggest you take a look at this app. All right, guys. So we're almost through this video. I told you I was going to make it short and sweet. So we're going to look at the Lyft app. Now, if you live in a semi-busy city, I mean, if you live in the boondocks, this probably isn't going to work very well for you. But if you have some spare time, you have a vehicle that, is not on its last leg, definitely check out Lyft because you can make money off using this app and doing a few rides on your spare time. Now, the last time that I was checking about this app, if you become a Lyft driver, you can earn a $300 bonus after your first 100 rides that you have given folks. So you're going to be able to make pay giving people rides, and then after you've done your 100th ride, you are going to make a $300 bonus, which is crazy. Um, you just need to have your vehicle, you need to have a little bit of spare time, and you need to have your smartphone. You need to be able to know where you're going. And if you live in an area where people like to go out, or cars are a little bit obsolete in your area, and people need rides, this is going to work really well for you. You're going to be able to make some really quick cash on your spare time just hanging out. Plus, you get to meet really cool people. So I definitely suggest you check out the Lyft app. I have it right up through the Google Play Store. I believe that you can download it on your iPhone too as well. So check it out, guys. Now we are going to go to Nielsen computer mobile panel. So this is going to be market research, and they keep track of your internet usage, and you can earn up to $50 per year per device. Now, what's really cool about this one is you can download it onto multiple devices. So if you have a boatload of devices in your house, load it up on all of them. I have a couple kids, so I'd probably load them up on their iPads, load it up on mine and my husband's phone, and I can make $50 per device. And now what they do is they collect the data that you use anonymously, and they just use it for their own market research to see where you're going, what is being used on, and things of that nature. Now, the one thing that I really like about this app is it does not take up a lot of space or slow your device down. But you must sign in and apply um, through their site, not on the Google Play Store. So for this to really work and for you to be able to make like a boatload of money, the $50 per year, you're going to need to go to their actual website and sign up for this. Um, but like I said, it will not clog up your phone. It's not going to make it run slow, and it's going to be really easy. This one does itself. You don't need to complete tasks. You don't need to take pictures. You don't need to upload anything. You just go about your day and make money, which is crazy to be able to make money just doing what you were going to do anyway. And watching all your crazy YouTube videos about myself. So guys, let me run through these apps again. We have M1 Financing, which is going to be a stock investment app. We have Street Bees, which they're going to ask you to complete tasks. Like I said, don't forget, guys, this one is available worldwide. We also have the Panel app, and that's just like this last app that I talked to you about. And they're going to collect your data usage, and you're going to be able to rack in the points and exchange them for PayPal money as well as Amazon gift cards, I believe. Don't forget about Receipt Hog. If you are really good about keeping your receipts and you know what the businesses are that they want to see the receipts for, you just take a picture of them and upload them, and you get money back for the things that you already need for yourself on your day to day, which is cool. Don't forget about SlideJoy. Now, SlideJoy is the one that you get paid to open and shut your lock screen. All they're going to make you do is watch a quick ad or a video, and then you can unlock your phone. Don't forget, guys, if you want to access your phone really quick, there's a way that you can slide on it. I believe it's slide right. And you can quickly bypass that and get to your home screen on your phone. So don't be worried about not being able to get to it and miss that important phone call that you've been waiting for. Lyft app. Lyft is a driver service, so you have a little bit of spare time and you have a vehicle that's in decent shape and you're available to be picking people up. Definitely download the Lyft app, become a driver. Don't forget, after your first 100 rides, you will be able to make a bonus $300, and then we are up to Nielsen Computer Mobile Panel. Don't forget, guys, this is just going to collect the data on your phone or your device that you're using. You can load it onto as many devices as you want, and you can earn up to $50 per device. Don't forget to go to the actual website to be able to download it and apply, because you're going to need to apply for this. So make sure that you have the internet connection on the device that you're using. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. If you want to know how to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income online, check out my #1 recommendation. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for staying and watching, guys. Have a good one.